Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Milestone Credit Card and how you can activate it online. The Milestone Card is especially useful for people who are building or rebuilding their credit history. With easy approvals and flexible options, it has become a popular choice for many. But before you start using it, the very first step is to activate your card. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process so you can start using your Milestone Credit Card without any trouble. First, open the site Google and buy the link milestone.myfinanceservices.com in the search bar. I've also provided the link in the description box for your convenience. Once the website opens, log in by entering your username and password, then click on Login. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Simply click on Register and enter your details like your card number, date of birth, and social security number. After filling everything correctly, click on Submit. Now, give it a few moments for verification. Once your details are confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email from Milestone Customer Service. If you prefer not to activate online, there's another option. You can directly call their customer support at 866-45-32636 and get your card activated over the phone. That's all. Once activated, you can start enjoying the benefits of your Milestone Credit Card right away. I hope this guide made things easier for you. Thanks for watching. If it did, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Tech Getter.